Okay guys, I'm up at a lovely farmer's field where I test flew the Spitfire that time. The grass is 3 or 4 inches. I'm going to have a go with the Guillows Cessna 180 this evening, so sun's nearly setting, so without further ado, better get on with it. So first of all, I'm going to do a couple of quick test glides. Just see how we're doing as regards gliding. Okay, glide seems reasonable. Let's put some winds on it. I've got trim tabs and I've got plasticine. So first off, let's put some winds on it. Not too many to start. Let's go into the middle of the field, shall we? Okay. Let's see what we've got. It's a light wind, a couple of miles an hour coming from the sun. Okay. Could do with it turning. I think I saw a little bit of stalling starting, but it's hard to say. So I'm going to put a little bit of right thrust in there. Let's see if I can't put a few more winds back on there. Let's see where that thrust button is. Okay, we go again. Oh dear. There's a bit of a stall going on there. I wonder, more winds, that amount of down thrust, with just a tad more nose weight perhaps, because the glide is, no, glide just goes down. I'd say there's enough nose weight on it. CG is where it should be, but is that pretty against the sky or what? Anyway, here we go. Sun, wind. Take my glasses off for this one because it's getting late now. This must be the last flight probably. Famous last words. So I got left trim tab on the aileron, quite a few turns. That's sweet. Huh, that was fun. Yes, 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 pull up. Oh, that was good. That was good. Nearly did a complete circle, but certainly flies better with that left rudder and left. Let go, Mr. Clover. Left rudder, left, little bit of left aileron, a little bit, and maximum amount of down thrust on the thrust washer. There we are then, chaps, playing around with the Guillows Cessna 180. I mean, we had nearly one circle out of it, which isn't bad. I'll just have to build a torque meter and see what sort of torque I'm putting on there, because I'm a bit reticent to put on too many winds of the rubber band, at least with the power tool rather. So thanks for checking us out. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, Guy. Bye.